Yo, what's up everyone? Peace out, peace to the Northeast people, peace to Garo people, guys. Today we are reacting to Garo Hill Finest. Title is Poppin and Shoppin. We have Kido Alph, we have Riozer TR, guys. We are reacting from the Artsourced, that is the channel, guys. So in case it is your first time here, we usually do reaction only to the Northeast people. Sometime when I visit Northeast also, I used to do vlogs only in this channel. So make sure to subscribe to watch the Northeast music and all, guys. So without wasting time, let's pop it and champagne. Let's go. Start. Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready for the heat. For the heat. For the another banger, Poppin and Shoppin.
만들고 느까예 난 고래 그 참아봐라 우상하지야 묵체박은 나가 기술 때 막그러난 스강하자 아시나 기스고 브라잉아 안디바 탕카데 옹바다야 카리야 안디바 닭무게 속자 비망대 아솔라 나갔다야 비망고슬 늦게 남는가 닭무게 기코대 극나자 안노대 착나대 만자네 감나사 남느끼로 바보 남는가 옹노대 슬라코 남마코 간자나 모사바 안코대 오체베네 꼬대 느끼한 동아이보 안디바 기스대 낭나안 박나바 동안에 돌자네 먹한대 갖겠다 남느게 늑절에 갓땡칸 리아야 앙아래 자시안 승아야 바주바 바치나 딱봤다 플레나르 깨서 비망고 탈이나 자망인 줄 원란의 진사 몰라라 우나라 마야사 답하는 놈 강할라 옹오바 안탕나 탕나대 안탕한 차대인 줄 원래가 앙아대나 아대 안탕고 니기자 자라게
If you think I'ma lose it, homie, you just lost it. Being with the drums say, constantly I'm popping.
This is my best part here.
Stop it. Crazy, I just drop it so I can take my mama out for a little shopping. My business, that's my lyrical plan, bro. In this universe, I'm more than you typical man, bro. Funny how it never ran when it's a rain is grand, bro. Got the game in the jam, bro. No capping is who I am, bro. I just love it when it's dangerous, no flexing, I'm finna be bankrupt. I'ma just go, no complain, bro. I'm filled with the greed, no drunk, bro. Cause I'ma need that dough. This KID to the O. Flexing on my honesty, what you think my persona has changed? No, I'm the same, just a better flow. She hates me, I get it. I'm too much, I get it. My ego, I get it. I'm bossy, I get it. It's just me, I get it. The blessings, I get it. Good life, I get it. Good grace, I get it. Poppin' to the BN, shopping in the weekend. We doing shit, we don't even need to pretend. 구식 칠해 치겐, oh I get by the band. 대루 마차 비그 앙아 아소 난 아디fen. If you think I'ma lose it, homie you just lost it. Being with the drums say, constantly I'm popping. Wish I could stop it, crazy I just drop it so I can take my mama out for a little shopping. Yeah. What you gonna do? Poppin and Shoppin. What you gonna do? Poppin and Shoppin. What you gonna do? Poppin and Shoppin. Poppin and Shoppin.
We belong to the gang. Damn it, guys. Damn, bro. Those guys, they just kill it, man. You know, I'm so surprised today. I'm so surprised. If someone like if someone will tell me like if I was not aware or if I was not knowing the Garo people, I was not gonna believe that this song is from Garo Hills. Believe me, guys, I'm really so speechless and so shocked. Not because like, okay, I'm not thinking that it's impossible to find people like this in Garo, but the level of talent, guys, is another level. I'm really so impressed. And you know, listening to this guy, especially, okay, Kido, bro. When I start listening to Kido, I felt like I was watching Anuman, the big dog. Oh my god, this is the big dog of Garo Hill. Oh my gosh. Anyway, brother, you are so unique in your own way. I'm not comparing, but you just know that you guys are really talented. Kido TR, oh my gosh, I'm so speechless. I felt like I'm watching people from UK, man. The song is really hit. It's really amazing. It's really amazing. It's worth watching, and this is a pure talent, guys. And moreover, what I love about the song, guys, is not like, okay, it's not only about the talent. You know, these guys here, they really have a great message, and I really love that message. You know what is really stressing most of men, let's say boys, not boys, most of the youth, let's say generally most of the youth in the Northeast India, oh my gosh, they are so crazy about dressing and fashion. Yeah, this is what in their mind, and this really stress people who cannot really afford to buy nice outfit or nice dressing or fashion, especially being a musician. But what those guys are telling you here, that you, if you have to love their work, they don't care about the fashion, they don't need to look good for them to appreciate them. If you love them, if you love their work, definitely what do you need with their dress? Because you know, people in the Northeast sometimes they compare themselves on behalf of the dressing, the outfit, the fashion, but for them this is not what they are competing or doing. For them, they have a really great message, and they want to show the talent, the pure talent. This is what they're giving now. See, the music is amazing, it's really lit, and they are telling you, you upcoming generation, if you love them, anyone, you love them, you have to love their work. Okay, they are not into fashion, they don't need to impress you on what they dress, guys. And I love this, and this will really make people to focus on the pure talent, because definitely now I love those guys, definitely not because of what they are wearing in this video, but because they are talented. And this is what we should promote and accept, guys. We should love people as they are, not because of how they look or what they dress. Material things is nothing, because Kido is telling you, if blessing, he get it. What if good life, he get it. He's taking his mama for little shopping. That is the full happiness of life, bro. You just summarize it, and I really love it. Love from Africa, guys. You guys are doing well. It's my first time reacting to you guys, but I'm so impressed. I love the work, guys. Keep it up, guys. Most of people, they're gonna love this. Thanks for the message. You guys are talented. Peace out.